Hey everyone. So these days it's fairly common to use varying CSS frameworks or libraries to handle styling in a React app, such as Tailwind, Styled Components, or SASS. SASS may be used less commonly today, but it's still supported by Create React App or Next.js, especially in combination with CSS modules. This guarantees that the style sheets will no conflicts with any other components. One of the biggest benefits of using SASS is that you can use variables and mixins. Uh, One of the biggest problems with Create React App is that it isn't readily apparent how to use it globally, but in this video I'll cover how to do that. It's actually pretty simple, so let's get right to it. So let's start off by installing the necessary dependencies, in this case just SASS and SASS loader. Once those are done, we can go ahead into the source folder and create another styles folder. Within there we can start creating our variables. This is just another file, underscore variables.sass. Here I'll just create some generic SASS variables for different screen sizes for the media queries. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and in the app CSS folder change its name to SASS folder so it has the correct syntax. Go ahead and import the variables I just created from the styles folder. The mixins are very similar. The only thing we have to take into consideration is that, well, personally I like to have them in a different folder. I'll just go ahead and create a generic rule and go ahead and use the mixins in the app.sass folder. To call them, it's just regular SASS syntax. For the mixins, we use an @include. And for the variables, we can just go ahead and reference them directly. One thing that I did forget to mention is that use has to go first. This is because of some SASS syntax. So just go ahead and make that first and everything should be working fine. If you like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.